Hey, it's Carter from Carter's Box Breaks.
This is Carter's dad from Carter's Box Breaks.
And we're here at La Hacienda. We just ate every day after we did the card show. We get some Mexican. We recap on how it went. And today we're doing something special. This is a new product that we got. We're selling at the card show. So if you're there, you might want to swing by our table and get one of these. So we decided we're both going to open one. Dad, do you want to go first or do you want me to?
You go first because I have the camera.
Okay, I'll go first. So I think I'm going to open my pack first and then I'll open the box.
You can let us know below who got a better box, Carter or Dad, like always with Boxtopper. We had a good card show today. So that's how big the jersey card is you get. I probably wouldn't put that on the...
Yes, it's a big one.
I probably wouldn't put that on the table.
I think it's a big one. Don't know. Not positive. Don't quote me on that. Okay.
Alright, here we go. This is a 3-card pack. Looking for some big sparkles.
Steph Curry. Ooh.
Here, turn around to the...
D'Angelo Russell to 199. And ooh,
Turn around.
a Jimmy Butler to 99.
So Jimmy Butler to 99.
And a D'Angelo Russell to 299.
Alright, so there's your 3-card pack.
Okay.
Keep this on the table so that we don't get the Mexican food all over it. Let's see who you got. What team?
Noah Vonleh. Okay. At the bottom, I saw, as soon as I saw this, it looked like it was Old Timer at the bottom. And I was like, an Old Timer bowl. Who's that going to be?
You were excited that it might be Jordan. Who is this guy? I've never heard of this guy before.
Don't know, but it's an oversized one. That means I'm perfect on
Noah
this.
Vonleh. He's not even a rookie, right? Or is he? Was it big game?
Every time I've opened one of these, I've gotten a fat one. Keeping the streak alive.
All right, Carter's going to turn it around, and hopefully I get something better than he did, because he never heard of Noah Vonleh. Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know where the check. Go back.
Okay, thank you. Noah Vonleh.
I have no idea who that is.
Have you ever heard of that guy?
Nope.
Like, I don't even remember him from college. Like,
Yeah. Maybe EuroLeague? No. Don't know.
okay, so there's a card. Where's my pack? Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate
You too.
it. Okay, we need something. So, Kristaps, a rookie of Max Keebler to 199. And another rookie of Zach Collins to 25.
Nice.
That's
It's
good.
25.
Kind of like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the blue version. See the difference between the blue on the color on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not bad.
Okay, time to see what.
That's the wrong Collins. You'd
Dad
rather have
gets.
John Collins.
I
All
hope
right.
Dad beats me in the comments, or well,
Or this is
these
not
two
been a very good
boxes were
open.
not.
Okay, so let's see if we can tease it out a little bit. What team is it? It's a Pacer. Is it going to be TJ Leaf? Pacer, that's hometown team. TJ Leaf. Oh
Yay.
boy. Another big
That's
one
a
though.
big one. There's your rookie, TJ Leaf.
Alright, well, a TJ Leaf, and I wouldn't say the best. I mean, these are really cool oversized cards.
Here's those.
His is game worn, mine's not. So comment in the comments below. Bless you.
Dad or Carter's. You'll choose down in the comments below. Please
Check us out
remember
on
to like,
Instagram.
subscribe, and comment. Check us out on Instagram. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.